Students, we are going to see classification of computers or types of computers. Computers differ based on their data processing abilities. They are classified according to purpose, data handling and functionality. According to purpose, computers are either general purpose or specific purpose. General purpose computers are designed to perform a range of tasks. They have the ability to store numerous programs but lack in speed and efficiency. Specific purpose computers are designed to handle a specific problem or to perform a specific task. A set of instructions are built into the machine. According to data handling, computers are analog, digital or hybrid. According to functionality, the types of computer is classified as analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. Analog computer. An analog computer is a form of computer that uses continuous physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical or hydraulic quantities to model the problem being solved. Digital computer that performs calculations and logical operations with quantities represented as digits, usually in the binary number system. Hybrid computer is a combination of analog and digital. A combination of computers those are capable of inputting and outputting in both digital and analog signals are called hybrid computers. A hybrid computer system setup offers a cost-effective method of performing complex simulations. On the basis of size, the types of computers are supercomputer, the fastest and most powerful type of computer. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized applications that require immense amounts of mathematical calculations. Mainframe computer, a very large and expensive computer capable of supporting hundreds or even thousands of users simultaneously. In the hierarchy that starts with a simple microprocessor at the bottom and moves to supercomputers at the top. Mainframes are just below supercomputers. In some ways, mainframes are more powerful than supercomputers because they support more simultaneous programs. But supercomputers can execute a single program faster than a mainframe. Mini computer, a mid-sized computer in size and power. They are called mini computers. They lie between workstations and mainframes. In the past decade, the distinction between large mini computers and small mainframes has blurred, however, as the distinction between small mini computers and workstations. But in general, a mini computer is a multiprocessing system capable of supporting from 4 to about 200 users simultaneously. Microcomputer or personal computer. They are classified into desktop computer, laptop computer, palm-top computer. Desktop computer, a personal or micro mini computer sufficient to fit on a desk. Laptop computer is a portable computer complete with an integrated screen and keyboard. It is generally smaller in size than a desktop computer and larger than a notebook computer. Palm-top computer is a hand-sized computer. Palm-tops have no keyboard, but the screen serves both as input and output device. Workstations. The terminal or desktop computer in a network. In this context, workstation is just a generic term for a user's machine, in contrast to a server or mainframe. So, the classification of computers according to functionality: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computer. On the basis of size, the types of computers are supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer or personal computer. The personal computer is classified as desktop computer, laptop computer, palm-top computer or digital diary or notebook PDAs and workstations. Thank you.